You were born for this life. It's in your DNA. You're a builder, a designer, and a visionary. Leading your team from challenge to challenge, day in and day out. Nothing holds you back. We help component manufacturers stay ahead of the curve, build more, and build faster. Since 1984, we've been manufacturing the strongest connector plates right here in the USA. But you need more than great plates. Our software suite is built for you and your operation. One with the absolute best 3D rendering tools, component design, and business management software. Our TrueBuild platform is designed for stepping up your game, increasing bottom lines and streamlining your truss plant, pushing the bounds of what's possible, and rethinking everything. Here at Eagle Metal, we partner with truss manufacturers that are building America. Industry leaders that understand the value of innovation. Every day, our team is working hard for you, adapting to your needs, so you have more time to build.